Hey, what's happening, guys? I'm Guy Marino. I'm the bar manager of Mission Avenue Bar and Grill in Oceanside, and we're going to be participating in the Balboa Riff portion of the Henneberry Balboa cocktail contest. So I'm going to be presenting the Dorothy Mantooth. It's Christmas time. It's a time of saints, and Dorothy Mantooth was a saint. So by deductive reasoning, that's what I came up with. As far as why I kind of put this cocktail together, I wanted to do something obviously seasonal, winter time, but I feel like everyone's always doing like the eggnogs, the flips, the like tons of cinnamon and nutmeg and allspice, and then you get like stomach ache after like 4 or 5 drinks and you're like, dang. So I wanted to just stick with what the Balboa originally is, which is just a really light, approachable whiskey cocktail, super refreshing. I just have a few different spirits that I feel in combination have a good showcasing of holiday flavors. So yeah, I'm gonna get right to it. R&D cherry apple bitters instead of the sarsaparilla for the original Balboa. Then we're gonna go with 1.5 ounces of Henneberry. We've got some Hidalgo Fino Sherry to give just slight nutty flavor. 1/4 ounce of that. I'm gonna go with some Dolan Blanc Vermouth, just to kind of brighten things up, gives it a little bit of a floral note. And then we got yellow chartreuse. 1/4 ounces of all the modifiers, by the way. I chose yellow chartreuse because they make yellow chartreuse with a little bit more honey content, so it just made more sense for this particular cocktail. And now I also am going to be using, instead of just regular honey, verbena honey. So verbena is this stuff right here. I wouldn't call it a cousin of eucalyptus, but when you're going through Balboa Park, you know, kind of the first thing you smell is that eucalyptus trees. Like there's tons of palm trees and eucalyptus. So it's just, you know, what did I want to do for a nice winter's night cocktail? If I were walking across the bridge, what would I have in my hand to drink during December nights? So that's pretty much what I came up with. Just took some verbena and honey, just simmer it for 10 minutes, let it infuse. The essential oils come out very quickly. Don't need to overdo it, super easy to make. So you're doing just 3/4 ounce of the verbena honey, and then 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Regular ice in a bucket glass, just like the Balboa. And I'm going to be shaking with one arm only because I just had shoulder surgery 3 months ago. That's getting strained right over. Then we take our little piece of lemon verbena, garnish, and a little bit of lemon. And you got your Balboa, known as the Dorothy Mantooth. Just want to say cheers to San Diego, to making Balboa. I won't go there, not great again. Let's just make Balboa awesome, because we love Balboa, right?